I'm back. Most of you probably didn't even notice that I was gone, but I did see a few comments on some of my latest videos from you guys. So at least some of you missed me. I got pretty sick. I couldn't do makeup, I couldn't make videos. I just had to rest and recover. But I'm back to feeling 100% better. I'm ready to do some makeup. I'm gonna do this tutorial that I've been seeing all over TikTok. Like the video if you missed me and comment if you didn't even realize that I was gone. I'm curious to know. So I just mixed 2 concealers on the back of my hand. Carve the top brow first and then the bottom. And then we gotta go in the middle. Concealer all over your eyelid. Then we got the forehead, down the nose, Cupid's bow, which I never do. And just when you thought that was enough concealer, there's more. On the inner corner, the outer corner, below the jawline, she said. I think they match. Okay, we get to take a break from the concealer so that we can move on to contour. We're going in with cream contour on the forehead, cheekbone, jawline, nose, and bring it into your crease. Ooh, that might have been too much. Concealer on the forehead, cheekbone, jawline. Okay, she didn't do this, but I'm gonna do a little line right there for my button nose. So this is how I'm looking. I need to hurry up and blend it because I can feel the concealer drying down already. And apparently you have to start blending from the top and work your way to the bottom. Don't want to drag the product all over the place too much. So I'm kind of just tapping it in place where it already is. Oh, maybe I should have picked a darker shade concealer. So just keep blending, blending, blending. Blending is not for the weak. Eyes, nose. Now let's do the under eyes. Right here, I blend it up into the concealer on my eyelid so that it's all seamless. Ah, my wrist is aching. Now the cheekbones. Cupid's bow. Hopefully it doesn't look ashy. It looks ashy. Okay, this is way better. All that's left is the concealer under the cheekbones and the contour on the jawline. But she doesn't show herself blending those out. Instead, she just says add a little bit of foundation and blend everywhere. So blend in like my life depends on it. Look at that. Lovely. Oh, no. I was about to say add some blush. That's what she does for her next step. Blend that out, fill in the eyebrows. Then she sets her under eyes with powder. I know I look a bit kind of like dusty, chalky right now, but once that sets into my skin, it will look fine. Then she goes in her crease with brown eyeshadow. I'm just gonna use powdered bronzer. Then she does wing liner with some eyeshadow. Smoke out that wing a little bit. She didn't say this, but I'm doing an inner corner wing too. Such a rebel. She adds some lashes. So I'm gonna go with these really cute half lashes today. Oh, hello. Making me feel like bougie. Then she does powder bronzer. So I'm just gonna lightly go over. And powder blush. Going right here between the concealer and the contour. Then we need to do some lip liner. I'm going for a dark brown. And some lipstick. And that's it. That kind of felt like a lot of steps, but I really love the end result. What do you guys think? Would you try this? Before you go, do me a big favor and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye guys.